Si Miss Gigi inquired.
Can I just ask a question? Hi, Derek. You mentioned that there's no pressure on your part in doing this film, but when you got the project, what was your initial vision of the film, and was there an effort to keep the Regal Entertainment signature when it comes to horror, or is there something that you'd like to inject in the film to make it different?
Well, the thing is, in designing the film, I don't know how do I answer? In designing the experience, it really came off from the success of the Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
Mm-hmm.
And so the thing is, I wasn't really constrained to what I needed to do, but what I looked at was, I started from the character arc, the main character's arc and her transformation, how she grows, and then I built the slasher tone into it, the slasher genre into it. So it was a bit of a procedural design thing, yeah. So I have the blueprint, I have the brush strokes, and it's up to everyone else to paint it, kind of thing. So I've got the structure and the blueprint.
I see, thank you. And for Sir John and RK, you have played memorable roles in your previous projects, especially Sir John. But without giving away too much, what can we expect from your characters?
Well, as much as possible. This is actually my process usually as an actor in doing characters. I always look for something interesting and something human within a character, so that it will naturally connect to my audience, rather than them watching a movie and a caricature that it's not really related to them. So the character is somehow fantastic, no, but it's a little, it's fantasy, of course. It's somehow a product of imagination, but it was beautifully told by director. It came from his past, his passion about something, about entertaining people. So if you're going to relate that to a human being or to a real person, you could always get a lot of resources from that. So it cannot just be a caricature or an imagined character. You can get resources from real people. So that's how I will do it.
Is it safe to say that he's going to be a very memorable character?
I wish to, and I would like to. I think director Joanne Mayes is dreaming to create that. We want to do that.
Okay,
Yes.
Thank you, RK.
Yung role ko kasi, I think, kaya meron kaming role, not just iba-ibang, parang meron kaming responsibilities as these characters, diba, pag binibigay sa amin. And without giving away too much, siguro, isa dun sa mga pag nanonood kayo ng pelikula na, yung gusto nyong tirisin na tao, gusto nyong hilahin palabas ng ano, ba't ganyan ang mga choices mo, ba't ganyan ang
You'd
decision mo.
love to hate the character.
You love to hate. So parang yun yung mga na-enjoy ko din panoorin yung mga character. So nung nabasa ko yung yung script, sabi ko, this is something.
Pagtitripan ko.
But also, yun nga, I just gusto ko lang i-reiterate na, being alongside Sir John and Joey, it's always the cast that I'm always looking forward to. And the new team, kasi I always learn something new. So, aside from having a memorable character, it's gonna be a memorable experience for me kasi I'm sure marami akong tututunan.
Thank you.
Alright. Hi guys.
Kunin ko lang po yung
Okay.
Ayun. Bakit? Ano nangyari? So tapos na. Okay, so iniwanan mo na kami. Ganun pala eh.
For direct.
Yes.
So, I'm so excited for the concept. Ang galing. Whether or not you had John and RK in mind when you were writing the characters? How do you feel with this casting, especially with the lead roles? Like, I don't know if you're familiar with their body of work, but how was your first reaction when you found out they would be playing these roles that you wrote?
Well, syempre excited because like I said before, I only write the blueprint of it and I write, the beats are in the film. But then who's gonna make it, memorable? Who's gonna color it? Who's gonna put the colors in? Because I've got the big strokes, And when they said it's gonna be RK and Sir John, I got really excited because I know their body of work, and it just seemed like it was made for them, kind of thing.
Are we gonna be scared of them? Is that
This is
Horror. We're gonna say it's a horror.
I don't think so. I mean, are there really directors afraid of actors?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, I'm a good dancer.
And from RK and John, because you played from good guys to bad guys, as in bad guys bordering on horror na nga yung dating nyo on screen. What is it about this genre that you're excited about, especially when you read the story and
When Direct Joey told me that he's not sure if we have already a face of a horror character in the Philippines, and he said he wants to create one. Wow. For me, that is a compliment, not as a not a challenge. Because you know what? Sometimes it's the timing. Everything you put in a character that you want to create, sometimes it has something to do with the timing. Is the story timely to the psyche of our audience now? So I will not ever blame it to myself or to Direct if it won't happen. But of course, that is our goal. That is our goal.
I can have the next question.
RK hasn't answered that.
RK,
Sorry,
RK.
sorry.
Oh, good question.
Ano,
What to look forward
what
to?
are you excited about
Excited
that you're
about?
doing horror now?
Well, aside from, sabi ko nga, I'm gonna be learning a lot just listening to Sir John, but also kasi I'm a big fan of horror and slasher movies. It's one thing na sobrang na-entertain ako watching, especially with streaming platforms. Ang dami nating napapanood na genre na offer din ng ibang countries. Diba? So I'm looking forward to showcase kung ano yung kaya naman natin. And not just here, but also like Sir John sinabi na kanina, international. And saan tayo nabibilang doon. And with this franchise and with Regal's franchise, alam ko naman na it's something na magiging proud. So I'm looking forward to that.
Thank you, G.
Yeah, for your I'm Gigi from Thailand.
Hello.
Yeah, some of the questions that I wanted to ask have been asked already. But anyway, I'm just wondering, because carnivals, when we think of carnivals, it's usually a place of
Fun.
where we have fun and are usually happy going into. So what about this particular carnival that you think would incite, kumbaga parang elicit horror from people who would watch, and kumbaga parang paano nyo ginawa siyang parang something na kumbaga yung mga tao baka matakot ng pumunta sa carnival pag napanood.
Is that for the three of us?
Well,
Okay.
yes, for the
Well,
director and
I mean, exactly as you said, a carnival should be fun, not horrifying. So that's where the gap between that is where the tension comes from. So it becomes uncanny because and as a kid I've always been afraid of clowns.
Me too.
Wow!
On that note,
Talaga?
Something about
Akala ko lang yan. Akala ko character lang yan sa film na merong natatakot sa clown. But,
no.
oh wow!
oh, I'm
Oh
so scared.
wow!
So I think that's where I'm coming from, my childhood fears, and just flipping something you think is safe and fun, you flip it and make it dangerous, and that's the gap between that is where the horror comes from.
Are you also scared of cows?
You know what? I don't know if I should say this, but don't get me wrong. I am not a fan of any horror movies. I do not watch horror movies. because I don't like it. Because every time I watch horror movie, I always tell myself, oh, okay, also you want me to join you trying to scare me, so I will not be scared. So I'm fighting the energy that it wants to take me, you know. But as an actor, I do horror movies. I do horror films, and I encourage people to watch it because there are a lot of people who really love. There is a niche. There is a population who really love to watch. So parang hindi ko na kailangan pang maging isa doon, but I can be an actor for a horror film kasi bukod sa trabaho mo yan, it's exciting to do, to scare people than to be there on the other side. Diba? Parang ikaw yung i-scare nila. Ayoko nung gano'n eh. Ayoko. Talagang kinokontrol ko yung sarili ko. Sabi nga ng mga cousins ko, mga barkada ko, pag, wag na, manunod kayo ng horror film, wag nyo nang hinggitin si John. Magiging ano lang siya, nuisance lang siya sa manonood niya. Sabi ka, okay. O sige, alam mo na. Iniurot ko lang sila. So, but this particular, you know what? Even in Carnival, you have the horror booth, di ba? So I think to a lot of people, being scared is entertainment. So kaya para sa akin, whether we like it or not, Carnival can induce a horror because lahat naman ng entertainment hindi lang fun. In fact, the center, the core of my character is doing that. I'm actually entertaining to the edge, you know, to the extent that it's not giving away, right?
No.
To the edge of really, how do we call it? Killing people? So parang gano'n. So nandun yung edge ng character niya. So marami ring audience kasi nang gusto nila ng ganong klaseng entertainment. So yung halos makapigil hininga at makamatay na sa takot. So I think hindi maliligaw yung pelikula to induce entertainment from their audience.
Ay, gusto ko yung na-point out yung horror booth, diba? Sa
yes.
mga Carnival. And also, I think one of the main reasons why we go to carnivals is to have these strong emotions, diba? You ride, yung mga roller coasters, yung heights of Ferris wheel, to see visuals, maganda, and lahat yun, I think, is gonna be an ingredient to creating this movie.
I'm scared of roller
Diba?
coasters.
You see? So, it's something fun. It becomes fun when you're with, people that you love, people that you care about. Na,
Something you think is safe.
yun, parang you experience it together. And I think that's the aim of MMFF, and having a franchise for Regal, parang to give that experience. It's something fun, matakot tayo sabay-sabay. And at the end of the day, kung horror man siya or slasher movie, natakot ba tayo, na kinabahan ba tayo, and paglabas natin ng movie house, kung yun ang mararamdaman natin lang, I think everyone.
You know, that question made me think of what is really the meaning of fun.
Yeah.
When you say fun, what I mean, is it just happiness, joy, or what? I mean, look, it's not fun for me to ride a roller coaster. It's not fun for them to see a clown. But they're all in carnivals. so what really an entertainment is, or fun is, di ba? Parang bigla lang akong
Subjective nga.
And I still, which means yung gagawin namin is maraming audience. Ang lawak.